Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm showing you how I took my nails from this to this using the Bluesky Fast and Easy Builder Gel. Starting off, I'm going to apply a base coat, then cure. Next, I'm taking the Bluesky nail forms and will place it so that it fits snugly under my nail. There are 6 shades of the Fast and Easy Builder Gel in a bottle that you can choose from. They are all super pretty shears. I decided to go with honey. So now I'm going to start to form the tip of the nail by applying the builder to follow my natural nail shape. I usually like to keep my nails about medium length, but for this look I wanted to extend the length a little bit while also keeping my shape as much as possible. I'm going to flash cure, then go in again with more builder. This time dragging towards the base of the nail, then adding more at the base and sort of blending everything together so that it's even. This is actually my first time using builder gel, and of course I know I have an advantage for it being easier since I do nails all the time, but even if you're a beginner, I feel like this wouldn't be too hard to get the hang of. So again, I'm curing, and afterwards I noticed sort of a gap on the side, so I think I should have adjusted the form a little better at the start, but luckily it's nothing some filing can't fix. I'm gonna add one more layer of builder over the entire nail to make the color more opaque. Then I'm flipping the nail upside down so gravity can pull the gel to create the slightest of an apex, since I'm following my natural nail shape as much as possible. I'm curing again, then I will remove the form and begin filing. I'm using the 100 grit side of my Bluesky file first. This side is rougher, so it will file down quicker. I'm going to file in the shape of my natural nail, so a mix between oval and almond. Now I'm going to flip over to the 180 grit side for the last of the filing, which will create smoother edges. I'm going to use a cleansing wipe to wipe the nail, which will remove the sticky layer and any debris from filing. And now I have longer, natural looking nails. For the nail art, I wanted to do something inspired by the popular clean girl aesthetic, so I'm using the shade Let You See to draw wavy connecting stripes down the nail. I'm going to fill in so that it's thinner in the center, and then I'll be adding a few more. For each stripe, I did a flash cure just to make sure I didn't accidentally mess it up in between, but you could also flash cure after you've added all the stripes if you prefer. Finally, I'm adding some top coat and curing one last time. Can't forget to use the cleansing wipe to remove that sticky layer and add some extra shine as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me use gel builder along with creating some nail art. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.